Welcome to our tutorial on how to stop auto-refreshing on Gmail with the latest update. If you're tired of Gmail constantly refreshing in the background, follow these steps to take control of your app's behavior. To begin, disable background data on your phone to prevent Gmail from refreshing in the background. Go to Settings on your phone. Tap on Apps and Notifications. Select Gmail from the list of apps. Tap on Data Usage. Disable background data to stop Gmail from refreshing in the background. Next, force Stop Gmail to ensure the app is completely closed. Open Settings and navigate to Apps and Notifications. Select Gmail. Tap on Force Stop to close the app completely. By following these steps, you can effectively stop Gmail from auto-refreshing and have more control over when the app updates. Enjoy a more seamless Gmail experience without the constant interruptions caused by auto-refreshing. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope these steps have helped you resolve the auto-refreshing issue on Gmail. Stay connected and organized with Gmail without the inconvenience of unwanted refreshes.